Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Jaleesa Cogdell, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, my hair is looking very crazy, and I'm not really ready to wash my hair as of yet, but it's not horrible. Yes, it's very dry, but we're gonna fix that up. So we're gonna be doing a high puff for natural, for a kinky coily hair. So I'm very excited to just show you guys what to do and how to get this amazing look. So what you're gonna need are these items. So of course you need your handy dandy water. This is my little water sprayer that I love to use. My hair loves water, so this is what I use for water. And then I'm going to be using the Smooth and Shining Polishing Olive Oil Mousse set spray kind of foam. But like it's kind of like a setting spray. I can use this for like when I get some curling rods, or like my flexi rods is really good for this stuff too. But I like it because it smells good and has olive oil in it. So yeah. And I'm using for my puff scrunchie is this old, knee-high that I used to wear, but I don't like stockings, and I like this better for my hair because I can get, a little bit tension when stuff is pulled back tightly. So this just helps me to get everything together because my hair has gotten thicker and a little bit longer. So I actually have like a ponytail. I've kind of, upgraded from a puff to a ponytail. Hey, so shout out to all the naturals out there that your hair is growing and you're flourishing and you've gone from the whole, afro stage to now puff stage and now ponytail. Now also, if need be, some bobby pins just to help everything stay in place. So I have some of that just in case, things kind of, get crazy. We have preparations for that. So I'll go ahead and get started. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to spray my hair all over. So I'm just going to spray my hair with this water because it needs it really bad. So I'm going to spray my hair. Spray. And I don't have any foundation on, so I don't care about my forehead like getting like wet. It's fine. So spray with water. And what I want to actually do, I'm going to take my beautiful wings off, because not wings, Lord help me, but my rings, because I don't want to snag or pull my hair or get product on my rings. Okay, sorry, I was like all up in, sorry. Alright, so just spray, because the reason why you want to spray water on your hair immediately before doing any type of puff is because there's already product on your hair. Because you did a wash and go, or you did a twist out, or a braid out, or whatever it was. So you want to make sure that your hair is hydrated and ready for the new hairstyle you're going to do. So my hair has definitely grown. Oh my gosh. Whew. It gets tiring, y'all. The sprayer finger, I'm right-handed, so my dominant hand's on my right side. So the left side doesn't do as good. It doesn't do as good. Let me try to get something. Okay, so I just, stretch these fingers out because it wasn't working. My dominant hand is just the only hand that I could use. So we're just gonna spray on the back. And there's still some curlage, so that's a blessing actually. Alright, so I'm just gonna put just a few pumps. It looks, I shake it up a little bit, so it looks like that. Okay. It smells so good, y'all. It smells like a mint, like a, Lord help me, how does it? Tea tree, that's what I'm smelling. So it's tea tree oils. Ooh, this is good. It's a Revive oil, so I like this. It's an oldie but a goodie. Yeah, so I just like to put this on the ends, and thank God it doesn't like do like the whole white cast thing, but just to get my hair kind of hydrated, because it will be in a puff. So like put it on the edges, because I already have enough gel as it is on my hair from the previous wash and go. Okay. It makes a little bit of a mess. And y'all, my voice is not all the way 100%, but God's in the midst, so it's okay. And of course, you use what works for you. Like some people use water only, some people just use gel, some people use leave-in conditioners. Whatever works for you. I will be using a little bit of gel just on the baby hairs. I'll be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss. But in terms of just like a ponytail, like I'm gonna use a product that I don't use a lot. You know what I mean? Like I only use this for like roller sets, flexi bra sets, but I don't use it every day. So why not just use what you got? And then just go ahead and get your brush. See how that just smooth? Look at that thing is sleek, y'all. Look at that. See how that? Yes. So what we want. And some people don't use a brush, but I gotta use a brush because I have a lot of hair. And as y'all can see, I have some small fingers. So I had to, you know, get this thing worked out. Especially in the back. So, yeah. And my brush has pretty good bristles, so yeah. So just want to smooth it on out. And then I just apply a little bit more, gotta shake this up. A little bit more of the mousse all around the head. And then I apply a little bit more water. I like to put water first before putting product. Water just be coming through for the dog. Alright, so mousse here, back there. My forehead looks shiny, y'all, but I probably didn't get any on my forehead. Alright. Alright, so then we got the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Curling Jelly. So, gonna put some of that. If it'll come out. Oh, God, it smells so good, y'all. It's definitely, it's gotten me, you know, a long ways, but, now, let's see if it'll come out. Does anybody struggle with product that be at the bottom of the... Any day now. Alright, so we have pretty decent amount. Alright. So just on the edges. Just to slick them down some. See? See that? Just to slick them down. And plus add some good smell to the hair. Sometimes you gotta cheat, you know? More of the blueberry on the back. Okay. I know you guys looking like me like, how is she supposed to get all of this hair? I know. So, what I do with this, I guess you call it knee-high, whatever, tight. So, I start at the top of my head, wrap it around my ears. Try to make sure it's even as possible. Okay? And then I go to the back. And then I crisscross them like that. Crisscross. And then I just pull tight. The front, see? So I push this back like that. And then I go upward, making a tight puff. See there? And then everything's nice. Look at that, see? And then I just tie the back like that. And then I wrap So there we go. And then I just kind of put it underneath. I don't know if you can kind of see it. I'll turn my head around. And then I just get my real hair and wrap it and just pull it out. And you just kind of fluff. So see, it's not a puff. My hair is like actually a ponytail now. It's kind of it's a high puff. So see there? See? And then you just fluff it out and fluff it out. Now this is such a pretty curl. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that curl, y'all. So pretty. So some of those curls will be like all around the little puff. Yeah, so I think it's cute. It reminds me of like being a little girl. Alright, so, and you just kind of just, you know, fluff it out the way you want to, but this is how it looks. So I just turn. See? That's how it looks. Now, to hide this part, I just usually kind of wrap my hair like kind of underneath it a little bit, you know. I try, and then just kind of, you know, cover it the best I can. That's where the bobby pins come in handy, but I know it's not gonna be perfect looking, but it's okay. But yeah, so just kind of, you know, fluff it out, you know, and then just make sure everything is, I can't see, but I'm believing that it's kind of, you know, slick. The back is, you know, together. So, yeah. Now, what you also can do is, you know, wrap a scarf, and I can even apply a little bit more gel to the edges just to get them to lay. I don't know, this gel might be done, y'all. I've had it for a while. I only use it on occasions. I don't use, it smells too good for me to just be wasting it. So, even though I kind of am with this bun, but I don't feel like doing my hair. Alright. So just on the edges. Get them to just, you know, lay down. But I think it looks so cute. So, yeah. So, it's a cute bun. Lord help me, a cute puff, sorry. But it's a cute puff. And everything's together, and you can be out the door, y'all. Enjoying your day. You know what I mean? Like, and, you know, it can give your hair some time to just kind of chill and not, you know, put too much tension on your hair. And, you know, you just kind of, you can spray your hair, your actual ends with some oil. Just make sure they're hydrated. Because my area, the weather is just crazy. One minute it's snowing, next minute it's cold. And now it's like 68 degrees outside. So we never know what to do with our hair as naturals in North Carolina. So we're just going to believe and just have faith that, you know, yeah. So, that's why I had to, like, change up my flat ironing back to curly because it got hot. So, you know, yeah. And it's January 23rd. So, but, I mean, it has body. I just love the way it looks. Like it just looks so cute to me. So you can like put your bonnet, you know, on top of it, or you can put a silk scarf and just wrap it tight. Not too tight where you have a headache, but I mean, just, you know, wrap it tight. Keep it secure. Put your bonnet on top. Girl, you can go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? They're good to go. You know what I mean? So this is a simple way, guys. I pray you guys like the video, and make sure you guys like and subscribe to my video. And I pray this helped. If you want any more tips or if you have any suggestions for me, just put it down below in the comments, you know, like, just, yes. So let's go ahead and finish up this look. And I just thank you guys so much for just watching this channel and subscribing and liking and helping it grow. I just love you guys so much. My butterflies, you guys are amazing, and know that God loves you. We just enhance our natural beauty that God's given us. So I love you guys. So let's go ahead and finish up the look. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I'm in the color 355 Coconuts. So we're going to be applying on this foundation first. And then we're going to, of course, apply some concealer. This foundation does appear to look orange, but don't worry, it really does well with my skin. And now we're using the, of course, No Filter Concealer from ColourPop. I'm in the color Rich Tan 65. And which just highlights and brightens my face up just a little bit. I love the way it looks, you guys. It's so pretty. So I just apply it to the forehead and underneath my eyes and my nose, my chin, and my upper lip. And I get my beauty blender just to dampen that and then just kind of blend out everything to look nice and together because we're about to go out. So I want to make sure it looks really pretty. I love the way this looks. Like, it's so pretty, you guys. I already did my eyes. This is a Lippy Stick Ziggy from ColourPop. I love the way it looks. And I'm going to be pairing with something different today. But I love the way my face looks. Look at how natural it looks. See? And now I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss Strawberry Cheesecake. And we are done, y'all. This bun look is just so cute, you guys. And I'm going to also add on the Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes lip gloss. It has a glitter shine to it, but it makes my lips look nice and plump. And it's so pretty. So I love you guys so much.